Hey buddy, what are we doing today? We're gonna go see some big trucks. Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
What type of big truck do you think we're gonna see?
It was talking a lot more.
Yeah, and a lot more. Well, let's go check them out. Look, Ed, they're having a cook-off. They're having a big cook-off over there, and then the big vehicles are somewhere else. So they're having a cook-off, and they're showing off big vehicles. Let's go check it out. Look, you see the train track? Come on, let's walk across them. Look, we're on train tracks, dude. Holy cow, there are a lot of people out here. Come on, buddy. Dude, there are a lot of people out here, buddy. What you thinking, buddy? You want to go see those big trucks? Hey, little girl. Happy girl. Yeah. Look, Ed, there's Auburn.
Yeah.
Remember when we saw him at the football game? Look, Ed. Let's go check out all the trucks. All right, let's go touch a truck. Let's go touch a truck, yeah? What is that, Ed? Is that a fire and rescue truck?
Yeah.
Look at it. Look how big it is. Look at that. You see the SWAT vehicle? All right, where do you want to go? You want to go in the back of that one and check it out?
Yeah.
That's a SWAT vehicle. Let's go look at it. Yeah, you can go in the back. Can you climb up there? Hey, look at me. You back there? Yeah.
I'm arrested.
Why don't you sit down? Yeah, that's cool, huh?
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting arrested.
No, you're going to save somebody.
Yeah, this is saving people, buddy.
Yeah, you get in the car and go help somebody.
Yeah.
That's the car you get arrested in right there.
Right there.
It's the SWAT team.
Yeah, they're the good guys.
And you come out like a SWAT.
You wanna go look at the fire truck?
Yeah.
Look at you, fireman. Look at the fire truck. You gonna touch it? Don't touch it. Come on. Look at that, Ed. Look at the dump truck. Wow, that's really big. Look at the dump truck. And that's the street sweep. See how it cleans? With these? Cleans the streets with them. Yeah? And then that's a garbage truck. Yep, that's a garbage truck with an arm.
Yeah.
You want to climb up in it? Can you climb up in it? Yeah, we can climb up in it. You just gotta wait there. Your turn. That's a garbage truck, Ed. Oh, you're gonna climb up in it? Can you climb it? Yeah. Look at you. Up in a garbage truck, just like your granddad was, huh? Look at the minivan, Ed. That's cool. Hey, you want to go check out what's inside the school bus?
Zelda does. So you run into it.
Let's go outside. This is school.
Getting ready to pack up. Okay.
Okay. Better hurry up. Better go check it out. Hurry up and check it out.
Y'all get to check it out with it running.
Oh,
Crank it up so y'all can
here we go.
run it.
Look at it. Whoa, you see that?
Oh!
Yeah, look at it. You want to check it out? You want to walk to the back?
Yeah.
Come on, he's about ready to pack it up. So we're lucky we get to check it out. Come on. Look, yeah, you're going to the back of the school bus? Ooh.
Look. We're going to school.
No, we're just hanging out. All right, let's go. All right, come on, let's go get a burger. Look at the train, it's coming. Ooh, those are good.
Good seeing you. Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Here is two.
Thank you.
Of course. I hope you like
Oh,
it.
yeah. Pretty good. Look at that, eh? What do you think? Yeah?
I can't wait.
What'd you get, buddy? You managed to get a balloon? What is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you got a doggy. Show me the doggy. Oh. Had fun. So let's go home. Yeah? All right, well, what do we say?
Bye, Peabody.
Bye. See you next time.